Alright, so I got a few sausages, Pecorino Romano, some full cream, and some brown mushrooms. I went for a little mixture of meats, by the way. I went for like pepperoncino ticinese and another one, and then just a standard ticinella, lugani, ticinese, probably destroying the names. And then a tubular pasta. Get your scissors, okay, put it down the line, get that sausage meat out. We're gonna cook this, we're gonna break it down. So you can break it down with this, like this. It might take a while, but it will work. You can't really squish it like that. You have to get like a flat. This is quite tightly packed, so it's not giving it up so easy. It takes a while to get this broken down, but this is what it looks like when it's broken down. I'm gonna get these mushrooms going while that meat reduces down. I gave these mushrooms a clean earlier on. A lot of oil getting released from that meat, huh? Some of those pieces of meat are actually quite chunky. You wanna open the back door? Your mommy's making that you're a bit smelly. I did turn on the right thing, didn't I? Yeah. Oh, you can't, a lot of background noise now, Larry. You're ruining the sound landscape. Yeah, that's all. That. Why, somebody who doesn't know what they're doing. Did not. Let's get some of that fat out there and put it on the mushrooms. Whew. Hope I didn't balls this up by my choice of sausages. Okay, let's get that onion in there. Hey, you got any white wine, love? Let's get those mushrooms in there. Want to see what that looks like? That's what it looks like. Looks good. Let's throw some cream in there. This is like half a liter of cream. The sound changes completely. Let's lower that down. Getting too hot. Alright, let's get the pasta going, okay. 10 grams of salt for 1 liter of water. I go with boiling water from the kettle first and then I put in the pasta. This is what I'm using. Barilla tortiglione. Any kind of tubular pasta will do apparently. Put in your hot water. I'm gonna chuck in the whole box. Yeah, I think I need more water. We'll come back to that in a few minutes. I just put in more water, so I need more salt. I'll do that off camera. Let's get some pasta water in here and loosen things up a little bit. Just, slide in underneath and then bring it to the top. Alrighty. Mrs. Pot of Plenty, dinner is served. Will you send out Miss Pot of Plenty, the taste tester? The one that has the tattoos that has zero commitment? No, I don't approve of that. Has to be a full face tattoo, Maori style, or it ain't happening. Do you want to, here, over here, do some thumbs and there's a microphone here.
Sadly, I've already taken my first bite, but I can say it's so good, I'm still eating it with my fingers. So